to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you and it's called Cyclone. Now this game was inspired by Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. Yes, if you smell what The Rock is cooking. Yes, this game is inspired by that. If you have not seen it, it's called The Titan Games on NBC. Make sure you guys check it out. So stay tuned and we'll get to the activity in just a moment. All right, so for this activity, I just used a few household items. So I used a water bottle. That's gonna be your target that you're gonna knock down. I used a hanger, and then I attached a string. If you guys don't have string, you could always use a grocery bag, just kind of make it long. And then I used the top of a coffee lid. I cut out the inside, remember, to put tape so you do not hurt your hands. And this is gonna be your sling. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I'll do the demonstration for the activity in just a moment. All right, so as you can see behind me, I actually have my activity ready to go. I made a square, so this is gonna be where you're gonna stand. You are not gonna be allowed to move this square. You're actually gonna stay here the whole time, but you're gonna spin around. And while you're spinning, you're gonna hold onto your hanger, and then your job is to swing and knock down the water bottles. Now you have to be spinning in order to, so you can't just go like this, sideways, one way. You actually have to be spinning the whole time. So you're gonna have to squat down low, you're gonna have to go up high, swing it high just so you knock them down. So it is challenging. So if you wanted to make this a 1 minute challenge, you can see how many bottles you can knock down of the 5 in 1 minute, or you can do this in challenge and see how long it takes you to knock down all 5 of the items. So it's completely up to you. Again, your job is to use this lid to knock down all the bottles. Another modification you can also do is you're gonna have one of your main targets, or the last targets, the most challenging, fill it up with a little bit of water inside the bottle to make it a little more challenging, more heavier to drop. Here we go, I'm gonna go my 1 minute attempt. I'm gonna see if I can knock down all 5 bottles in 1 minute. Again, this is called Cyclone. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. That's 2. Four. Last one. 5. At 59 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna have Jordan give it a try on Cyclone. All right, here we go. Jordan's turn. He's gonna do the 1 minute challenge for Cyclone. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. 2. And 3, 4, last one. I guess to go up higher. Stay in the square. Move your body, you gotta spin. You gotta keep spinning, Jordan. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. In the square. 20 seconds left. Keep spinning, stay in the square. 10 seconds.
I can't get the high one.
And time is up. So Jordan got 4 bottles down. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Cyclone. Thanks again to Dwayne The Rock Johnson for the inspiration. And please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.